Today, we have an extraordinary topic that can truly transform your life, harnessing the power of positive affirmation. So, grab a pen and paper because we are about to embark on an awe-inspiring journey of self-discovery. 1. What are affirmations? Let's start by understanding the very essence of positive affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements we repeat to ourselves to cultivate a positive mindset, transform our thoughts, and ultimately manifest our desires. They are like seeds that we plant in the garden of our mind, allowing beautiful and inspiring thoughts to blossom. When practicing positive affirmations, we intentionally focus on empowering beliefs, dismissing self-doubt, and fostering self-love. Remember, the words we speak to ourselves shape our reality, and positive affirmations serve as a guiding light toward a better tomorrow. 2. Why are they effective? Now you might be wondering, why are positive affirmations so effective? The answer lies within our subconscious mind. Our subconscious, like a sponge, absorbs everything we feed it. By consistently repeating positive affirmations, we can reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing negative thoughts and beliefs with uplifting ones. Studies have shown that positive affirmations boost self-esteem, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. By focusing on the positives, we attract a world filled with endless opportunities and abundance, so it's time to tap into the extraordinary potential that lies within all of us. 3. Crafting powerful affirmations. Let's dive into the art of crafting powerful affirmations. It's important to phrase affirmations in the present tense as if the desired reality is already happening. For instance, instead of saying, "I will be confident," we say, "I am confident." This shift in language has the potency to ignite a fire within and unleash our true potential. Furthermore, make sure your affirmations are personal, specific, and believable. By tailoring your affirmations to your own unique circumstances and aspirations, they become deeply resonant and transform from mere words into a powerful force that propels you toward your goals. So, dream big and create affirmations tailored just for you. 4. Incorporating affirmations into daily routine. Consistency is the key to optimizing the potential of positive affirmations. It's all about developing a routine that works for you. Find moments in your day to dedicate solely to affirmations, whether it be in the morning to kickstart your day or during a peaceful evening ritual. Embrace different modalities to embed affirmations into your routine. You could write them down in a journal, speak them out loud in front of a mirror with utmost conviction, or even create a vision board filled with empowering words and images. Experiment and find what resonates with you the most. 5. Overcoming resistance. Now, here's an important aspect to address. When practicing positive affirmations, resistance may rise to the surface. Our subconscious mind might challenge the empowering belief system we are trying to establish. Don't worry. This is completely normal. In moments of resistance, acknowledge the doubt and gently remind yourself of the positive affirmations you have been cultivating. Visualize the affirmations as strong roots firmly planted within you, resilient and unyielding against any negativity that tries to hinder your growth. Remember, you have the power to reshape your reality. 6. Celebrating transformation. Finally, let's celebrate the transformation that positive affirmations bring to our lives. Imagine waking up every day, feeling empowered, purposeful, and ready to conquer the world. Through the consistent practice of positive affirmations, you will witness remarkable shifts in your mindset, self-confidence, and overall happiness. Don't limit yourself, my friend. Unleash your true potential by embracing the extraordinary power of positive affirmation. Believe in yourself, for you possess limitless capabilities that can move mountains and create lasting change. Remember, affirmations are not just words, but a gateway to a life filled with joy, love, and endless possibilities. Now go forth and embrace the power within you.